Hey guys, welcome back to FixItPhillip. We have a 2002 Jaguar XK8 and today we are changing upper strut mounts in the front. Be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And let me show you how bad these are here. So you can see they're just disintegrating here. When the car's sitting on the floor, this stud here is actually shifting back and forth, hitting metal, making all these kind of crazy clunking noises. So here's the new upper strut mounts, and we're going to take this apart, replace the upper strut mounts, and I'll show you guys how to do it. Okay, we're going to take the strut out. We've got three 13mm nuts for the top of the strut. Okay, here's a strut from inside the wheel well. Okay, I'm going to remove the sway bar end link first. Get some more room here. Do it on the other side too. Okay, we got an 18mm here for the bottom of the strut. Okay, we're going to pry it down on the lower control arm a little. Okay, you can see on the old upper strut mount what's left of it. This stuff in here is falling apart. It was actually like this at one point, so you can see a huge difference in how bad this thing has fallen apart. Okay, we're gonna compress the spring to take the upper strut mount off. Ooh, look at that. Horrible. You gotta line it back to where it was, so the studs fit on straight. Okay, time to put it back on. Okay, nuts back on the top. Then we'll leave this off until we do the other side. You do the same thing on the other side and then put the sway bar link on. Okay, and that's it for the driver's side. Much better. Now we just got to put this sway bar end link back on. The nut and bolt, and it'll be good to go. Okay, front strut mounts are done. Actually gave us some more clearance here, which is great. He was scraping the inside of the wheel well with the tire when he would make turns, so we got plenty more room now. And as you can see, these look a whole lot better. So that's it, you guys. Looks good to me. So that's it on the front strut mount replacement on this 02 Jaguar XK8. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And remember, with FixItPhillip, you can fix it. I'll see you next time.